Hello traders, good morning. Today is 23rd of November. What an amazing and blessing day, guys. Amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how we manage amazing profit on dollar CAD. If you look at the dollar CAD, yesterday we had a beautiful long trade at the New York session. We were expecting market might gonna break and retest. We have bank amazing profit on the long trade here. As soon as we see the rejection, market respected this trend resistance, and if you look at this candle develop bodies develop bullish in, bearish engulfing candle, market nicely broken. So we also had a short trade here, we also had this pullback short trade here. Right now we just bank amazing profit on euro on dollar CAD. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market in intraday and help my traders not to miss any opportunity. Bank amazing profit yesterday, pretty straightforward. Based on this analysis, market nicely broken after the breakout, market nicely have pullback. We have another pullback, another pullback. As soon as the market hit to the profit target, that's what explained my traders time to enjoy amazing profit. After banking some profit, I said let the market wait because there was data about to release. And afterwards, you can see here the market nicely and impulsively came back. And as explained, now we have the structure. Let's see if the market is going to develop a breakout, then keep taking enjoying. So you can see the market nicely broken after the breakout, market nicely developed pullback. Beautiful short trade here. As soon as the market hit to the profit target, that's what explained my traders time to enjoy amazing profit. Most welcome, guys. Join our fast going trader community if you don't want to miss those analysis in real time. Have a nice day.